While you do have some control over your emotions, you must also recognize their unpredictable nature. If you expect to be happy all the time, you set yourself up for failure. You then risk blaming yourself when you fail to be happy, or even worse, beat yourself up for it. To start taking control of your emotions, you must accept they are transient. You must learn to let them pass without feeling the need to identify strongly with them. You must allow yourself to feel sad without adding commentaries such as, I shouldn't be sad, or what's wrong with me. Instead, you must allow reality to just be. No matter how mentally tough you are, you'll still experience sadness, grief, or depression in your life. Hopefully, not at the same time and not continually. At times, you'll feel disappointed, betrayed, insecure, resentful, or ashamed. You'll doubt yourself and doubt your ability to be the person you want to be. But that's okay because emotions come, but more importantly, they go. You may blame yourself for experiencing negative emotions, or perhaps you see yourself as mentally weak. I remember, you may even believe something is wrong with you. However, despite what your inner voice may say, your emotions aren't bad. Hi, Raymark. Emotions are simply emotions, nothing more. As such, being depressed doesn't make you less of a person than you were 3 weeks ago when you were happy. Feeling sad now doesn't mean you'll never be able to laugh again. Remember that. Remember this, the way you interpret emotions as well as the blame game you engage in creates suffering, not the emotions themselves. In fact, negative emotions can actually be helpful. Wala akong pa-music eh. Wala akong extra phone for music. Hi, Clairely. Clairely. Sometimes you need to touch rock bottom. Hi, Sniper! Before you can reach the top. Sniper, shall we? Sorry wala akong extra phone eh for music. Hindi ako nakapag-prepare.